Today is not just the opening of a rehabilitated park. Today is the realization of a vision built through collaboration, listening, culture, and community.
Unang-una, babati muna ako at magpapasalamat ako sa napakaraming tao who actually contributed a lot to the concept of this Sunshine Park. Two universities. We have the University of the Philippines, and of course, we have the University of the Cordillera. Maraming salamat. Second is, pasasalamatan ko yung ating mga members ng ating Baguio Museum dahil marami rin silang contributions sa mga ideas on how to preserve yung cultural identity ng Sunshine Park. Let me also thank yung ating City Council led by Vice Mayor for their overwhelming support dito sa project na ito. Another are the artists. Kasi talagang napakalaki ng tulong nila rito. Kanilang mga contributions, kanilang mga ideas. I would like also acknowledge the students of UP and University of Cordillera at marami uli silang mga inputs dito.